How to receive money from Cash App. First things first, when someone sends you money, it usually hits your Cash App balance instantly. To double-check that it actually went through, just tap this little clock icon at the bottom right. That's your Activity tab. Every single payment you receive will be listed right here in a clean, easy history log. Now, what if someone owes you money and you want to gently remind them? You can send them a direct request. Just tap the $ icon at the bottom to open up the main cash screen. Type in the exact amount you're owed and hit Request on the left. Next, type in your friend's name, email, phone number, or cash tag. Right below that, where it says For, definitely type a quick note like dinner split so they know exactly what it's for. Once that's filled out, just tap Request in the top right corner to send it off. As soon as they accept it, that cash pops right into your balance and you'll see it pop up in your activity log. But wait, what if a friend swears they paid you, but you look at your balance and it's not showing up? Don't panic. Head back over to that clock icon for your activity tab. Look right at the very top under the Pending section. If the payment is waiting there, you'll see an Accept button right next to it. Just tap that to approve it, and the money will hit your balance instantly. And that's literally it. You're officially a Cash App pro. If this helped you out, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick breakdown. See ya!